What do you mean by capital occasionally? Once in a year, twice in a year. These are called as capital. Like, why all this information given means they have not given balance sheet. See, your question is only receipt and payment. Balance sheet is not given. If the balance sheet is not given, what is the procedure? Whatever the remaining partners are there, you please use this table, chair and computer. This is called legacy. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence. We are discussing your Unit 1, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organization, your Unit 1 Part A. Now, we are done with your whole syllabus from Unit 1 till Unit 11. Now, again we are revising one by one. Now we are revising your Unit 1, Non-for-Profit Organization. In this, we will revise which is more important for your examination. In the examination, what kind of problems you may get, how much marks will be allotted or how much marks will be given on this particular topic. What are the things or what are the points you are supposed to remember while doing this topic? Each and everything we'll discuss and we'll have a complete guidance on this particular topic. First one, classify the following into revenue and capital items. Now, your non-for-profit organization, the unit will come for 15 marks. Now, it will be your 15 marks paper. Now, this particular unit itself, 15 marks. Now, how the marks will be allotted? You will get 1 mark, 1 question, 2 mark, 1 question, and 12 mark, 1. So, it will be total 15. So, how you have to prepare for this particular topic is 1 mark, 1 theory you have to prepare. 2 mark, 1 theory will be there, you have to prepare. And there is no 6 mark question, there will be 12 mark question. Along with that, I have not added POQ, practical oriented question. Now, along with 5 mark, one more 5 mark will be added. 15 plus 5, it may come for 20. 15 marks sure. This 5 marks POQ, that will be optional. It may be asked or it may not be asked. Now, 5 marks your POQ, that will be on this topic. Or I'll let you know now what is another topic. It will be like write receipt and payment account with imaginary figures. Write income and expenditure 5 items with imaginary figure. Or out of these 20, they may ask you any 5. You're supposed to write what kind of expenditure, whether it is a capital, whether it is a revenue. Now, this will be your question and this will be your answer. This will be your question and that will be your answer. How your question will be? They will ask you, classify the following into revenue and capital item, and they will ask you any 5 out of this. What should be your answer? This should be your answer. Clear? I'll give you one shortcut. How to classify it is capital or revenue. Any expenses, any income recurring in nature, repeatedly having in nature, we call it as revenue. Anything recurring in nature, repeatedly happens in nature, that will be called as revenue. Any expenditure or income occasionally happens, that will be called as capital item. Hope you are clear. I'll give you an example. Rent. Rent will be paid what? Every month you pay rent. Salary. Salary will be given or issued. It will be every month. Every month, 30th or 1st of every month, you will pay salary or you will receive salary. Electricity bill. Every month you pay your electricity bill. Water charges. Every month the water charges will be made. Insurance, every month, every 6 months, every quarterly, you pay insurance charges. Small general expenditure. These things are called as revenue item. Hope you got it. What is revenue? Repeatedly happening means we call it as revenue. Now, we'll come back to capital item. What do you mean by capital? Occasionally, once in a year, twice in a year. These are called as capital. Like furniture purchased. Will you purchase furniture every month, every day? No. So it will be capital. Life membership fees. Life membership fees will be paid once in lifetime. That will be called as capital. Then any asset like motor car, land and building, machinery, these things we purchase once in lifetime, twice in lifetime, or every 5 years once, or after end of the life of the asset we buy. That's why those are called as capital item. Hope you are clear. Good. Now we'll go one by one. X-ray plant purchased. See, X-ray plant is what? Machinery. Will hospital purchase X-ray plant every month? No. Once in lifetime, once in 10 years, once in 5 years. So it will be called as what? Capital. So it is done. Interest received. Every month you collect interest. So it will be revenue. Sale of old sports material. Purchase of sports material occasionally. Sale small ball, small bat, or small any chessboard, carom board. If it is old, you will keep selling. So it will be revenue. Donation received for swimming pool. Capital. Every month you cannot collect donation. At the time of construction of swimming pool, you collect donation once in lifetime. Then honorarium paid. Revenue. Next, installation charges of machinery. Every day you install machinery. Every month you install machinery. No, it is a capital. Subscription to newspaper. Revenue. Any subscription means what? You will pay your cable bill every month. You will pay your newspaper bill every month. You will pay your electricity bill, or you have subscribed for some magazine. So that will be called every month you are supposed to pay. That is called revenue item. Life membership capital. Subscription always revenue. Amount paid for upkeep of ground. Revenue. Cost of purchase of asset. Capital. Rent. As I told you, rent every month it happens. Revenue. Donation. Capital. Government grant. Government grant for what purpose? Maintenance. If it is for purchase of any asset, capital. For maintenance, every day you have to maintain. So it will be revenue. Cost of installation of light and fans, capital. Sale of old tennis ball, revenue. Legacies received, capital. What do you mean by legacies? Remember, very important for 1 mark or 2 mark. Legacies is very simple. I'll give you with example. A, B, C. All three are partners. Now, C retiring from partnership. He is exiting from partnership. Now, he is above 75 years old now. So, he wants to leave the partnership. But before he leaves, he may bought some asset like his table, his chair, or some other, his computer. What he does, he says that I don't want this table, I don't want this chair, my personal computer also, there is no use. What he will do, he will gift to A and B, partners or partnership firm. Instead of taking the table, instead of taking the chair and computer, he will leave there itself. So, whatever the remaining partners are there, you please use this table, chair and computer. This is called legacies. Hope you are clear. The exiting partner, if he donates or gives something to the remaining partner or partnership firm, that will be called as legacies. Hope you are clear. Yes. So, legacies received is capital. Why it is capital? Every month the partner exit? No. Once he will exit. That is called capital. Match expenses. Capital out of match fund. Prize awarded. Revenue. Laboratory expenses. Revenue. Hope you are clear. These are your 5-mark question. So we'll go for the next one. Preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet when opening balance sheet is given in the problem. The balance sheet will be given in the question itself. Then it is simple actually. You need not to prepare opening balance sheet. Now, in the income and expenditure, what we are supposed to prepare? We are supposed to prepare a receipt and pay, income and expenditure and balance sheet. Now, these are the balance sheet they have given. Cash in hand, map, government bond, subscription, furniture, and this side it will be capital fund, audit, fees. So already we have done many problems in the normal classes. It is a revision class, that's why I will not do complete problem. Just I will highlight where you are supposed to concentrate. Hope you are clear? Yes. These are the balance sheet already given in the question paper. These are the receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2018 given in the question. Remember, these are receipt and these are payment. Along with that, they have given additional informations. Which are those? Audit fees, charge 250 as depreciation, half of the donation is to be considered as revenue. Hope you are clear. Yes, these are the informations we have. Outstanding subscription 2000, salary prepaid is 2500, income and expenditure you are supposed to prepare, balance sheet you are supposed to prepare. Before I start your income and expenditure, I'll give you one shortcut. Remember that. What is that shortcut? Now, in the question, whatever given in the balance sheet, whatever given in the adjustment, clear? Whatever given in the balance sheet, always remember this belongs to last year. Whatever given in the adjustment, this belongs to current year. Hope you are clear. Point number 1, balance sheet last year, adjustment informations are current year. Now, any outstanding given in the balance sheet, you are supposed to minus. Any outstanding given in the adjustment, you are supposed to add. Hope you are clear. Next, any prepaid or advances given in the balance sheet, you are supposed to add. Any prepaid or advances given in the adjustment, you are supposed to minus. There is a logic you are supposed to remember. Like salary. Salary outstanding. If outstanding means where outstanding is given in the balance sheet, then minus. Where the outstanding is given in the adjustment, add. Any prepaid or advances given in the balance sheet, add. Given in the adjustment, minus. This much only you are supposed to remember in non-profit organization. Other than these things, they will not give you any adjustment. Only you will be having depreciation. Depreciation, as you know that every time you minus from the asset. Now, income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018, your solution. Don't go in detail. I'll concentrate only on adjustments. Now, see, even though the name says income and expenditure, first we write expenditure, then we write income. Never do the mistake in the examination. Don't start with income. Always expenditure, amount, income, amount. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, what are these expenses? I'll go back to your question. These are your payments. All the payments will come under expenditure. Hope you are clear. All the payments will go to expenditure. Then all the receipt will come to income. Now, whether we take all, answer is no. Why? Because already I explained you what is revenue, what is capital. Revenue means what? Repeatedly happening. Now, in the payment, whatever expenses repeatedly happens, then only we should consider. Or else it will go to balance sheet. Now, audit fees, yes, revenue. Rent, yes, revenue. Map and charts will you purchase again and again? Yes. Printing and stationery. Stationery, yes, revenue. Salary, revenue. Functions, no. Balance carried down and balance brought down will not come. Now see, all the expenses, audit fees, rent, stationery, salary, functions, 1050, small amount they have considered. Yes, these are the expenses we copied from this. See, we have not taken maps because maps and charts will go to asset. Now, functions, if they have not mentioned function, fund or something, we don't consider. If it is a function, normal, regularly it happens, revenue nature. Now, so all the expenses we got. Now, what are the incomes? Subscription, yes. Donation, no. Interest on government bonds, yes. 1 and 2. Subscription, yes. Then, interest on government bonds, yes. Clear, yes. What are these adjustments now? I'll show you. Go to your balance sheet. Now, audit fees, anything is given in liability, it is outstanding. Now, subscription, outstanding. Now, so what is the logic I taught you? Any balance sheet outstanding, always what? Minus. Now, in the adjustment, we have audit fees due means outstanding. In the adjustment, outstanding always what? Add. Then it will be like outstanding subscription, again add. Subscription received in advance. Advance, see, any advances in the adjustment, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to minus. Hope you got the logic? Yes. Same thing we have done. Audit fees 2500, add minus outstanding because it is in balance sheet. Anything in the adjustment? Yes. It is in adjustment, we have added. The final answer is 2500 minus 2500, it is nil. Plus 2500, you got answer of 2500. Now, your rent actual value, salary actual value, function actual value, depreciation on furniture, they have given you the question itself. See, your charge, depreciate on furniture 250, they have given. So, depreciation, this much you are supposed to do. Hope you are clear. Now, come to income. Subscription, as per balance sheet, outstanding, deducted. As per adjustment, outstanding, added. As per adjustment, prepaid, deducted. So, after everything, you will get answer of 20,000. Now, donation, see, half of the donation is to be considered revenue. So, half you should take it in income and expenditure. Half will go to where? Balance sheet. Now, see, your donation, we have taken half. And interest on government security 850. We have interest as per adjustment. As per adjustment, outstanding always what? Add. Now, 1550. Now, your income side is more. What is the total? 22,800. 22,800. From 22,800, if you minus all this, you will get answer of 8,950. Hope you are clear. Yes. Once you're done with this, go to balance sheet. Balance sheet, it is nothing but copy paste of last year balance sheet. Last year balance sheet, whatever we have in this, same thing we copy paste. Now, cash in hand, we have 2,050. Now, this year balance sheet, how much we should take? Remember, your receipt and payment balance carry down. This will be your cash in hand. Balance brought down 2050. Last year cash in hand. Balance carried down 8,900. This year cash in hand. See, cash in hand is taken. Map and charts. The old balance, new balance. Government bonds, outstanding should be added. Furniture, depreciation has to be deducted. Outstanding subscription as per the adjustment, double effect should be taken under asset side. Similarly, we'll come to liability. Capital fund, it is last year balance sheet. Surplus, if you get surplus, add. If you get deficit, minus. So your donation half will be considered. Audit fees, outer column. Subscription received in advance, outer column. Add 50,600. 50,600. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is all about your problem number 1. Please remember the concept I explained you. So the chart, any outstandings as per balance sheet, minus. Any outstanding as per adjustment, add. Any prepaid or advances as per balance sheet, add. Any prepaid or advances as per adjustment, minus. Remember this logic, the problem will be easy. Now we'll go to your problem number 2. Problem number 2, just I'll show you the answer. You have to work out at home. Now, receipt and payment account of Shankar Sports Club is given below. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending. Receipt and payment they have given. Now tell me which are revenue item. Cash in hand will not consider. Cash in hand we will not consider. Now, under receipt, entrance fees, yes. Donation, no. Locker rent, yes. Life membership, no, because it is a lifetime. Go to balance sheet. Profit from entertainment, yes. Subscription, always, yes. It will come under income. Next, payment, rent, yes. Wages, yes. Billiard table, table will you purchase every month? No, it is a capital. Furniture, no. Interest, yes. Postages, salary, yes. This much only your payments. All the information they have given. Adjustment outstanding, always add. So next one, opening stock of postage and stamp given. Rent is given. And 1st April club owned furniture means, why all this information given means they have not given balance sheet. See, your question is only receipt and payment. Balance sheet is not given. If the balance sheet is not given, what is the procedure? I'll tell you. All the informations are given. First you prepare opening balance sheet. Clear? First you have to prepare. Normally what you are supposed to do? Income and expenditure and balance sheet. But in this problem, in the question, balance sheet is not given. Then you are supposed to prepare opening balance sheet. After that, normal procedure. Okay. Extra work will be there. What is the extra work? Opening balance sheet you are supposed to prepare. Now, balance sheet. This is what, not your final answer. This is your opening balance sheet. Rent, unpaid, loan, cash in hand, outstanding subscription, postage, furniture. The difference will be called as your deficit. Capital fund. This one is capital fund. Where do you get all this information? All the informations are in adjustment. Anything which is related to previous year that you are supposed to write under balance sheet. See, they have given rent 1,500 related to 2016-17. See, you have taken. Then they have given closing stock of 200 and postage and stamp it is 300. See, 300. Everything was taken. Next, the furniture value they have mentioned. Yeah. Furniture 15,000 and furniture value at 22,500 in the March 31st, 2018. So, opening also given, closing also given. We have to take only opening. Like this, you are supposed to prepare opening balance sheet. What is the cash balance? Last year means you should go with 2,600 as cash balance. Hope you are clear how to create your opening balance sheet. All from your adjustment. Anything which is related to previous year, you are supposed to prepare balance sheet. Why you are supposed to prepare balance sheet means because in this question they have not given balance sheet. Create balance sheet, then you do the normal problem. After that, income and expenditure, same procedure. Rent previous year minus current year add. Wages as it is, interest as it is, postage as it is, purchase 1000. Now postages purchase 300 plus 1000 minus closing 200. 300 plus 1000, 1300 minus 200, it will be 1100. And postage is over, salary is over, everything is completed. Similarly, come to here, subscription plus outstanding minus this one, you will get final answer. Entrance fees over, locker rent over, profit over, and the difference will be called as your deficit. Last problem, income was more, expenditure was less. This problem, expenditure is more, income is less. Then we call it as what? Deficit. Similarly, balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. Same procedure like last one. Okay. Capital fund in the last problem, it was positive value. This problem, it is a negative value. So we have taken capital fund this side. Hope you remember. Capital fund, if it is deficit, will go this side. Clear? Yes. This is all about your balance sheet. So two types of balance sheet are problems we have done. This is more than sufficient for your examination. That's why I have taken two types. One is in the question with balance sheet, in the question paper without balance sheet. Now these are the working out we have done. For the calculation, use this. Now I'll go back to your first slide. If you want to take screenshot, please take, because it will be useful to work out at your home. This will be classify the following into revenue and capital. This is your first problem, your question, adjustments, solution part, your solution. Problem number 2, without balance sheet, adjustment, your answer, opening balance sheet, answer, income and expenditure account, answer, balance sheet, your working note. So this is all about your session 1 as well as your unit number 1 from part A. So whatever we do, your revision classes, please maintain a separate notes for this. Today we have done 2 problems with POQ. Write down all questions with solution. In the next session, we'll meet up with the unit number 2. Same procedure, what will come for your exam and what is the weightage of your chapter. Everything in detail we will discuss. Thank you.